I wanted to talk about what Push actually does. We go into schools, colleges, universities, and we deliver sessions, but what are those sessions about? There are three main topics that we do. The first is choices, and that is choices whether in year 9 or year 13 or even postgraduate. Having the information at your fingertips, and whether it is about what to study next or apprenticeships, work, other options. We also do study skills to help people get the academic attainment so that they can realise those choices. That includes obviously revision skills. And we do a session on employability, or we do a host of sessions on employability. That's tying it to what it means to make a life, not just a living. In other words, what are the attributes that are valuable in the workplace? How can you develop them? Within each strand, we have a ladder of different sessions that target ages, stages, subjects, audiences. Each session is tailored further to the group in front of the presenter, and if necessary, Push will always develop bespoke sessions. There is a fourth strand, sort of, which is that we also train other people to do what we do. We've been doing it for over 25 years, we're an award-winning organisation, and it's not for us about us doing it. We can reach more people by helping other people to learn how we do it. So we run sessions in training people to do public speaking, student ambassadors, and we run comedy events helping people develop their comedy skills, and just running entertainment events for themed summer schools and the like.